Namaskar, Namaste, hello and welcome. This is Tushar and you're watching Anand Agrocare's official YouTube channel. Guys, in the previous video, we have seen what Fusarium wilt is and how we can control them. In today's video, we are going to understand more about Phytophthora. So let's begin today's topic, Phytophthora. Phytophthora is a destructive plant pathogen which belongs to water molds and it is most commonly found in soil as well as in water. Its life cycle begins with a survival structure like oospores, means resting spores, and these resting spores can remain in the soil for long period of time. Under favorable conditions, these resting spores or oospores form sporangium, and this sporangium releases zoospores, means swimming spores. That spores move through water to roots. How it comes into the soil? It can come through infected plant parts or material. It may come contaminated water, as you can see here, infected plant material such as diseased roots, leaves, compost, soil equipments, movements, then contaminated water, nursery and transplants. It may come through nursery plants and transplants. What are its mode of action? As we understand that oospores are motile spores, means swimming spores that move through water to roots and then infect or multiplies here and spreads to all plant parts. After their infection, visible symptoms forms. Here we will understand diagrammatically. These oospores germinates in the soil. After their germination, they releases zoospores. These zoospores move through water to roots. In roots, they multiply themselves and spread towards plant parts. After their infection, plant form visible symptoms such as root rot, collar rot, etc. In this way, this pathogen infect to plants. The visible symptoms such as leaf blight, fruit rot, root rot, crown rot, stem canker, dieback, etc. are the infections of Phytophthora. Disease symptoms like water soak, means roots cannot absorb water properly, hence these symptoms form, means this disease forms, wilting, root and collar rot, fruit rot. Management of Phytophthora. We can manage Phytophthora, the practices such as proper drainage. We can use disease-free seedlings, crop rotation, biological agents like Trichoderma viride. So here we will understand more like how to control Phytophthora. Phytophthora means if you have to control Phytophthora, you cannot depend on only one method. You have to follow combination of methods like you have to remove infected plants, use biological fungicides, rotate and drain your soil, remove infected, means disease or dispose disease plants, prevent sprays. Now we will understand what biological or microorganisms you can use or apply in your field. Very popular is Trichoderma viride. You have to use Anand Agrocare's Dr. Bactos dermas, which consists Trichoderma viride, and Dr. Bactos fluoro, which consists Pseudomonas fluorescens. The dose will be 5 ml per kg of seeds, and in dextrose formulation, Dr. Bactos dermas 4K and Dr. Bactos fluoro 4K, the dose will be 5 gram per kg of seeds. This is for seed treatment. Then through soil application, you can also use this Dr. Bactos dermas and Dr. Bactos fluoro in liquid formulation, the dose will be 1 to 2 liter per acre, and in dextrose formulation, Dr. Bactos dermis 4K and Dr. Bactos fluoro 4K, the dose will be 500 gram per acre. Now the question is, why I am suggesting Trichoderma viride against Phytophthora? The answer is very simple. As I told in the earlier previous video also, that Trichoderma viride is the only biological agent that can compete for their space and nutrients with Phytophthora. As a result, Phytophthora cannot establish their network. Hence, Phytophthora cannot establish or multiply themselves. Trichoderma has some antagonistic properties, means they can compete and inhibits the growth of Phytophthora. Also, Trichoderma produces some enzymes that break down the cell wall of Phytophthora. Also, Trichoderma induces or increases plants' resistance capacity, means enhances the plant's natural defense mechanisms. Therefore, you have to use Trichoderma viride against Phytophthora. To conclude this video, we have seen effective management of Phytophthora, why it is necessary or crucial, because Phytophthora is as we have already seen, that it is a destructive plant pathogen. It can destroy plant. You have to use combination of methods, means you cannot depend on only one method. You have to use combination of groups of practices, then only you can prevent infection of Phytophthora. Or you can use Trichoderma viride based products in your field, in your farm. Then also it will be also helpful to control Phytophthora infection in your fields. Regularly inspect and take early actions if signs of infections are detected. Implementing these strategies will protect plants, ensure healthy growth and prevent crop losses. So these are various ways you can control Phytophthora in your fields. So that's all for today's topic. To watch more videos like this, you have to follow our YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Thanks for watching this video.